Okay, so let's talk about the sector and segment of a circle. It is a continuation of first video. Make sure that you have watched first the video about the arcs, the chords, the central and scribe angle before this one. Okay? So let's differentiate between the sector and the segments of a circle. Kapag sinabi nating sector, it is a region bounded by two radii and their intercepted arc. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, dito, kung nakikita natin sa picture natin sa circle natin na to, okay, itong yellow na to, yung buong dinidilawan, nilalagyan ko ng shaded region, iyan yung sector ng inyong circle. Meron kayong dalawang radii, meron din kayong intercepted arc. Okay? Kaya kung ikukumpara natin sa pizza, yung sector, yung slice ng pizza, yun yung sector. While si segment, it is a region bounded by an arc only. Okay? And its chords. So, dito, okay, sorry. Move. So, itong naka-shaded region na red, yung pulang shaded region na yan, iyan ang ating segment. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kapag si sector, meron siyang, kung makikita natin, kung i-imagine nyo yung naka-drawing dito, meron siyang triangle, meron siyang segment kapag si sector. Pero si segment, part lang siya ni sector. Kaya doon nagmula yung formula natin ng area of a segment. Okay? Na ang area of a segment is equal to area of a sector minus the area of a triangle. Okay. Let's continue here. Sige, rewrite natin. Area of sector. Okay, let's continue. So, area of a segment, is equal to area ng sector minus the area of a triangle. Okay, segment to. Parang ganito yan. Yan. Parang may line, tapos mayroong semicircle. Then, si area ng sector, yun yung baliktad na triangle. Si triangle, of course, the triangle. Okay. So, area of a segment is equal to area of a sector minus the area of a triangle. Well, si area of a sector naman, let's talk about the area of a sector. That is equal to C over 360 times pi times the radius squared. Okay? While si area ng ating triangle, that is equal to 1/2 base times height times 1/2 radius squared sine C. So, ginagamit natin yung first formula sa kapag given si base and height. Then, ginagamit natin yung second formula kapag given si radius and given si central angle. Okay. So, let's have solving. So, we're going to find the area of a shaded segment. So, ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung area nitong naka-shade na red. Okay? So, since na-mention sa formula yung segment, so yung formula natin sa segment is area ng segment is equal to area ng sector minus area of a triangle. Okay, so for example, dito sa given natin, meron tayong radius na 10 cm and meron tayong measure ng chord na 16 cm. Okay? So, paano natin isa-solve kapag ganito lang yung given? So, ang una nating gagawin, try nyo muna i-observe ang inyong triangle that inscribed on a circle. Okay? Observe nyo muna. So, para madali natin ma-solve to, unahin natin si area ng triangle. Okay? If we are going to draw here a line, okay? Kasi dito, kung titingnan natin, kung area ng triangle, kanina kung babalikan natin, ito lang yung hahanapin natin given, base and height. Then dito sa given natin, meron na tayong base, yung 16 cm. Okay, yan na yung base natin. So, ang hahanapin na lang natin yung height, then we can have a area of a triangle. Okay? So, if we're going to draw here a line, so ibig sabihin, nahati yung triangle natin into 2. Okay, we split them into 2. So, the measure of this side would be, ano na? Okay, very good. That is 8. So, pareho silang 8. But since radius to, sabi ko kanina, radius tong 10 cm, dapat 10 cm din to. Okay. Then, so meron na tayong measure nung isang side nito, tsaka ito. Okay. So, ngayon, hanapin naman natin measure nitong height natin. Paano yon? So, we're going to use a Pythagorean theorem. Okay. Whisper mo. Pythagorean theorem. That is c squared. Okay, masyadong malabo yung sulat. Okay, that is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So, observe natin, meron tayo ditong triangle. Okay. Asan dito yung c natin? Okay, tandaan kapag c, that represents your hypotenuse. Okay. So, dito ang hypotenuse natin, since binaisect natin yung ating triangle, therefore, that makakabuo tayo dito ng right angle. So, yung katapat ng right angle, iyon yung hypotenuse nyo. So, you have 10 squared. And the given of 2 legs, okay, ito yung A and B, that is the measure of 2 legs of a triangle. So, dito, given yung isang legs, which is 8. Okay, given to, ito yung 8 natin. Okay, so we have 8 squared plus b squared. 10 squared is equal to 100. 8 raised to 2, that is equal to 64 plus b squared. Then transpose 64 to other side, so you have 100 minus 64 is equal to b squared. Or simply, b squared is equal to 100 minus 64, that is 36. And get the square of both sides, so you have square root of b squared. We'll now have b is equal to 6. So, ibig sabihin, yung measure ng side nyo dito is 6. Nauunawaan ba? Medyo magbura nga tayo. Oops. Sige, okay yan. Okay. Next, pwede na natin ngayon masolve yung area ni triangle. Okay. So, area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so wherein yung given natin na base is, ano yun nandun? Okay. So, again, pinag-uusapan na natin dito is yung buong area ni triangle. So, ito na yung kukunin natin, yung base natin dito, which is 16. Next, the height, we have here the height, yung sukat from base to the top of your triangle. Okay? So, yung height naman natin dito is 6 cm. So, you have 16 times 6. 16 times 6, that is 96. So, you have 96 over 2. That is equal to 48. And your 48, that will represent your area of a triangle. And the area of triangle is 48. Okay? Then, after that, meron na ka ng area ng triangle. Okay? So, ito given na siya. Ang hahanapin mo naman na susunod is area ni sector. Okay? Again, if we're going to go back to the formula for the area of a sector, that is equal to A is equal to C over 360 times pi times the radius squared. But again, looking back to our problem, we don't have the value of a central angle. Okay, wala to yung value natin. So, yan yung kukunin natin. Pero, para mas madali, since congruent naman yung dalawang triangle na to, diba? Gamitin, ito lang muna yung pag-focusan natin. Okay? Gamit ang SOHCAHTOA. Okay? Using a SOHCAHTOA, we can solve the central angle. Let's use sine. So, any of these three pwede yung gamitin. Okay, but as long as you identified correctly the opposite, the hypotenuse, and the adjacent. So let's use sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Or theta is equal to sine raised to -1 opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? So, balik tayo dito sa problem natin. Ito yung central angle natin. Ano yung opposite niya? Tandaan yung opposite yung katapat. So, we have 8. How about the hypotenuse? Yung hypotenuse naman katapat siya ng right angle. So, we have 10. So, we have sine raised to -1, 8 over 10. Okay, using your calculator, input shift, plus sine. Then, yung may dalawang box. Then, input nyo yung 8. Okay, 8 over 10. Okay. Sine raised to -1 times 8 over 10, that is equal to 53 point lang. 53.13. Okay. 53.13 degree. May point to, ha? So, your angle, your central angle, yung measure nito is 53.13. But since we are talking about the central, okay, yung dalawa na to. So, we're going to multiply that by 2. So, you now have 106.26 degree. Yun ngayon, yung central angle mo. Okay, so balik tayo dito. So, area of sector is equal to C. So, again, yung C, yun yung minultiply natin yung 53.13 by 2. Okay? That is 106.26 over 360. Times 5, that is 3.14 times the radius na 10. Okay? Yung given natin kanina na radius, that is 10 raised to 2. Okay, if you have mano-mano na calculator, i-multiply nyo muna yung mga numerator. So 106.26 times 3.14 na pi times 100. 10 raised to 2, that is 100. Okay, then divided by 360. Pero kapag may mga high functions naman kayo na calculator, you can input that directly. Okay, so 106.26 times 3.14 times 100 over 360. If we're going to simplify that, we have 92.68. Okay. So, iyan na ngayon yung area ng sector mo. Okay, that will be the area of your sector. So, again, balik tayo sa area of segment. Okay, that is equal to area ng sector minus the area of a triangle. Again, yung sector natin is 92.68. Ang triangle natin is 48. Okay, so 92.68 minus 48. That is equal to ilan? 44.68. Tama ba? Okay, so that is 44.68. So that will be your final answer. Okay. Square unit, square centimeter, since we are talking about here the centimeters, and the area, kapag area, automatic lagi siya naka-square. So, sorry, medyo mahaba yung video na to, but that is the yun yung pinakamadaling way kung paano natin isa-solve yung pinaka-area ng ating shaded segment natin dito. Okay, so I hope you learn a lot today and be prepared for your summative exam. So I wish you all the best and good luck. So ace the summative exam. Thank you, Grayton. Bye-bye.